See that? Hit and run. Whoever he is, he's gone.
Unless he's a pro.
We got no movement, not a sign of a shadow. I'm going down there, and that's it.
Roger that.
You got eyes on that wall?
I got eyes on your ass, fancy pants. Oh man, talk to me. What do you see?
Something's not right.
Overhead. Coming, man. How bad is it?
Eyes the bullet went through.
I got it man down. Ah!
What's your position, over?
We got a sniper. High caliber weapon. Requesting instruction.
Sergeant, I need your exact location.
Say that again.
Sergeant.
You got an accent. Not American. You a sniper? Where are you, man?
You get eyes on him. Where'd he come from?
I don't know!
If I were you, I would start talking, Isaac.
What do you want?
I want to get to know you.
I get one shot.
No. Second you touch that rifle, you're dead!
This is true. When this is over, his family won't recognize him. You're dehydrated.
How's this end, man?
Death. You will bleed out.
Scope is an extension of my eye.
You're fading. You're fading.
I'm fantastic.
The trigger is an extension of my fist.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
The rifle is an extension of me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And I strike you down.
I know where you are now.